Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good. And here's we are back. I welcome you all again to an interesting video where you are going to learn something beautiful, something cute, how to draw these cute lovely creatures. Now with the help of a black marker, you have to make this honeybee looking so cute and pretty and color them on your own. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? Proceeding further, make letter D, and then what are we going to make? Make the eyes and nose like this, and then the ears in this manner, and the antenna as well, and then color it like this with the help of black marker. And in the end, don't forget to put the tail around. Do you know what it is? You can definitely tell. Let's see what are we going to make now. Yes, here's we are making something beautiful, some amazing creature, and here's you have to make and draw the patterns like this and the spikes like this and color it with the help of red marker. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Now you have to make a teddy bear shape like structure, and this is the eyes you have made into, and then this beautiful smile and crown on the top of it. And here's to the body part, you have to make the pattern in this way and join it like this. A frog, isn't it? And that too a king frog. Make the spikes around and make it look even more beautiful. You can decorate it further with the help of colorful sketch pens, and like this. You can make it like this and color it with the help of green marker. Pretty amazing, isn't it? Now let's see what are we going to make the pattern like this, and you can very well imagine what creature I'll be diving into. A snail, right? So you have to make the eyes and join it like this with the help of antenna, and then keep on making the eyes and color it look a little thick, and then you will get an amazing snail like this. Isn't it looking pretty amazing? And make the spikes around and lines around in this manner, and you can color it further to make it look even more realistic. Keep on coloring and you will get an amazing result. Pretty amazing, right? Make the spots like this and you are getting. Proceeding further, make the patterns like this with the help of marker, and then yes, you can definitely imagine what are we diving into. Make the eyes and make the lines like this. Pretty amazing. Now you have to take a glittery marker like this, and you have to make the petals around in this manner. Make the lines in between and crisscross it and make it like this, and again you have to make the stem and stick. Yes, a beautiful sunflower, isn't it? Now, with the help of this pattern, let's see what lovely flower are we going to make. You can just imagine, yeah, a beautiful, lovely, bounded rose. Isn't it pretty enough? You can just decorate it further and color it with the help of your favorite colors. Pretty, isn't it? Proceeding further, let's see what are we going to get now. You have to make the petals like this and keep on making the patterns in this way. And let's see what in the end you are going to get. Keep on making exact copy of the same on either side of it, and you have to make the patterns and leaves in this way. On either side you have to do the same thing. And let's see what are we going to get. Decorate it further and make the flowers like this and join it in this manner, and you will get an amazing beautiful drawing. Isn't it amazing? Thank you so much.